In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear ABS sensor on your Toyota Tundra. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the center cap. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the boot and unplug the sensor. Press the tab on top. Remove the 10mm bolt. Remove the bolt. Been working the sensor back and forth with a pair of pliers, just wiggling it. Used a little bit of penetrant, and we're just working it out, trying not to break it inside of the axle. Working the sensor back and forth while prying up with a little flat blade screwdriver. Remove the sensor. Put in the new ABS sensor, fully seat it, install the 10mm bolt, snug the bolt down, torque this bolt to 71 foot-pounds, install the connector onto the sensor, slide the little boot over. Install the wheel and start your lug nuts. Snug the lug nuts down. Install the center ring, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.